Jnana Sarva Singha. Jnana is there in the entire body. In the five, like in the Jatara place, there is five Jatara keys. That five forces, that five combined with the Manas, Buddhi and Atma forces the air from the stomach. That forced air flows throughout that part and then reaches to this Kapala place. After that it gets out, then it hits the each parts of oral cavity. Okay. When it's one particular part, that part is the place of birth of that particular letter or varna. There, majorly two efforts are there. First is like expanding. Vocal cord is there. Gets expanded like this. This like is what vocal cord is. First, due to the flow of air, after hitting it, it gets down. Then it gets open. When it gets open more, the air flow will be very faster. Sometimes this vocal cord gets clinched to the itself in the inner. So there also you see some air flow. Okay. When you take expanded, it is called Vivara. Okay, Vibhuta. Okay. Then air comes from the open part. While after the like before the varna, some efforts before the production of varna, some efforts like being taken place. These efforts called as Abhyantara varnas, Abhyantara prayatnas. These Abhyantara prayatnas take before the birth of letter. Abhyantara prayatnas happen before the birth of any letter. After the production of any letter, some more efforts will take place. Those prayatnas called as Baki prayatnas. Okay, Abhyantara means internal, Bakya means external. What is here internal and external? Internal means these occur before the production of birth of varnas. Okay. After the birth of varnas, some other efforts are in the those are Bakya prayatnas. Bakya means external. Since this production already has done, though these are all occurring, so these prayatnas called as Bakya prayatnas. Okay? It's like when you hit any bell, when you hit any bell, before hitting the bell, some efforts are required. After hitting the bell also, there will be some more like efforts. You understand? There will be more vibrations. After the vibration, the volume increase and decreasing will be based on that. Okay, the depth of the volume and the accent, everything will be based on. So before hitting the bell also, some efforts will be there. After hitting the bell also, some more efforts will be occurring. So these two called as Abhyantara and Baki prayatnas. These two also take significant role in replacing Agama and Abhyantara. Okay. We are studying this to understand the roots for Adeshas and Agama. Okay. First is Sthanam. When the same Sthanam is there for two letters, the similar Adesha will come. That is one reason. Another reason, prayatnas. First we see like Abhyantara prayatnas. Some other times we see Bakya prayatnas. Okay. When we have to see what prayatna, that depends on the context. have to eliminate 4 species. Since its family is one letter, we get only one added. Okay. So we have to eliminate 4. How do we eliminate 4? First species Stana. Sometimes all 5 of them will be having same Stana. So Stana will not help them. We have to depend on Abhyantara Prayatna. Then many times Abhyantara Prayatnas also will be same for many letters. So we have to go to Bhakti Prayatna. Then we go to Bhakti Prayatna, only one refined Adesha will be captured. Okay. That we will learn in Halsandi, Vyanjana Sandhi. Majorly, Vyanjana Sandhi example is Abhyantara Prayatna basic. Okay. So you have to learn what letter has what prayatna. That is also mentioned here. These are sthanas and Abhyantara Prayatnas, Vayama Prayatnas. Both are very essential for learning something. Okay. By next class you have to learn them. If you have any doubt, just you can directly listen. But this first you see, I think you can understand. If you don't understand, then let me know. The prayatnas of each letters. As you studied sthana, after that sthana only prayatna part will be there. Did you get it? Yatno dita abhyantaro vakyascha will be there. Both books, Lampita, both books same content will be there. Otherwise, the way did you study this sthana part? There only there. After sthana part only, this prayatna part will occur. Just a minute, let me connect my headphone here. So your voice will be better. Did you get it? Yes. It is there in the 13th page in the first book. Vyakarna one book. See page number 30. Did you get it? how one vowel gets connected to another vowel. What are the that is what your main topic is here. In the second one, entirely deals the same part. Okay. There, directly this vowel get connected with this vowel. This consonant get connected with this consonant. These small statements are not there because vowels are generally 9. I, nine vowels. Consonants, how many consonants are there? Group 5 groups are there. What are they? Yes. Yes. So 33 consonants are there. So without counting Visarga and Anuswara, there are 33 consonants and 9 vowels. Okay. When you use mathematics, how many combinations will happen? Understand? 41 vowels and consonants, like till now, we counted. So when you count the repetitions of those 41 vowels and consonants, okay, with different sequences. You understand? 41, it's not just 41 to the power 41, even more bigger. When you count 41 letters, which we have 41 different sequences, single sequence, that will be 41 power to 41. But in our usage, we do have 2 consonants in one case. After that, there will be one vowel. Some cases we do have 3 consonants and then one vowel. In some cases, only one consonant before one vowel, after one vowel. In some cases, only one vowel after that 3-4 consonants. So this sequence is like infinite sequence with so many like combinations. This sequence has no end. So it is very difficult for anyone to directly state when this letter gets connected with this letter, this will come. So it is really impossible to directly state that because the length of the big data, the biggest data space we will generate. So we have to approach a smart way. That smart way approach the one. What did he do? He used some acronyms to emphasize to represent so many letters. Okay. For example, ARCH is acronym. ARCH is an acronym. How many letters it gets covered there? 9. 9 letters covered there. Generally. But R itself has 3 major differences. Raspa, Virka, Pluka. Isn't it? So when you go into deeper, R itself has 18 differences. So here Arch directly indicates 9 letters. Those 9 indicate different other minute letters. You understand? So when you say Arch, R-E-U has 18 differences. Ru also has Since there is no Dirgha as per this Pandian grammatical tradition. In other Agama Shastra text, they collected Lu Dirgha also. When you read any Agama text, ancient Shaiva or Vaishnava or any Agama text, they mention one Adhyatma to each Varna. Akara is like this Varna, this Devata, that Devata. A is Vishnu. Like each and every Varna has its Adhyatma. So in that count, here the Lukara is also there, but that is not followed in this Pandian tradition. Okay, so that Lu is having 12 letters, but Lu and Lu both are very similar. Okay, Lu and Lu both are very similar. How these are similar? See, Lu and Lu. Okay, they are something like this. But in the same way, Lu, it also has one consonant part and one vowel part. And the Lakara will be audible, not the Rekha. Okay, so that is the difference. But both are similar letters. So since these two are similar,
The state or relation of
Alexa, stop. Since these two are similar, these two function in similar way. Okay, so when you take Ru, it gets collected like it collects 30 differences. 18 for Ru, 12 for Lu. Since both have like similarity. Okay. So in that way, Aidu has each has 18 differences. Lu each like have here the Lu and Lu both have 30 differences. Okay. Yevo, Ayo, all of them like they have 12 differences. Since they don't have Haswas. Okay. So to represent these all letters, so Pandian had to accept some more techniques to like to get some brevity. He cannot use all letters together. So he had to accept some small techniques so that a small name will indicate tens of letters. Okay. So these are all called Pratyaharas. Okay. Like Achu, Hallu, these are all Pratyaharas. They do mean a proper sequence letters. Just a minute, Amma, just I'm getting one call. I call, just I will join. హరిమంది అది నేను ఇంట్లోనే ఉన్నానండి. ఒక్క క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది, ఆ క్లాస్ అయిన తర్వాత నేను వస్తాను, పర్లేదా? ఇప్పుడే 5 గంటలకు స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఒక్క అరగంటలో అవుతుంది. అలాగేనండి, నేను అవి చూశాను. ఓకే.
పిచ్చి కొట్టదు దాన్ని ఇలా రావే అని వస్తే ఎత్తి కొట్టేసింది.
ఇది అలాగే చేస్తుంది.
ఇట్లా రాదు ఎత్తి కొట్టేసి పట్టుకొని కుయ్యో అని అయితే పిచ్చి కూడా రాని కొట్టోసారి.
Are you there, ma? What we are discussing. So these are all Pratyaharas. They used like for gravity. So many letters get included there. So it is very easier for anyone to remember that, to calculate also. Okay. So you have to remember those all pratyaharas. It's small things. First, the basic thing is you should remember Maheshwara Sutras very, very well. When you remember Maheshwara Sutras, other things will be very easy. Huh? Generally, in our traditional writing system, how we write Kakagaghanga, Chachajachanya. In when you come to Tamil, unfortunately, Tamil script got destroyed and restructured, remodified. Some many things happened. So I don't know how you learned, but before 150 years, in Tamil Nadu also people use it to learn a proper script. So Kaka Gaghanga, Chacha Jajanya, all like letters will be followed in the same sequence as we follow in Samskrita tradition. After that restructurization or remodification or something else, so many letters, so-called seculars removed, like many letters got removed by them. So you learn Kaga, Nga, Chajanya like that, you might have learned, I don't know. So as you learn Sanskritam, like in the same way we use it to learn Tamil letters also. Fortunately, that is not happened for Telugu states. So we learn Telugu Kaka Gaghanga Chacha Jajanya in the same process only, same way only. But unfortunately, Tamil, due to so many atrocities and politics, it got destroyed in a like a tragic way. Okay, we leave that apart. So generally, Kaka Gaghanga Chacha Jajanya Kaka Gaghana, that is how we write. That is the general writing system. But in the Maheshwara Sutras, the sequence is changed. The sequence is changed due to the rules and reasons for sandhis. Majorly sandhis. But in some cases, for adeshas and prakritis also. Okay? Majorly it is for sandhis. Are you there? So how they take they took these letters, they reframed them. Is first they have brought Yavarala first. Ayurlu, Evo, Ayo. These are in the same like pattern. They did not get changed. Later the last Yavarala came first. Ayavarala. Later fifth letters from each group brought here, Nyamanganana. Okay. After fifth letters, fourth letters brought. Okay. After fourth letters, third letters brought. After third letters, second letters brought. After that, first letters brought. After that, Seshasa brought. You understand? In a general writing system, we do write the group of letters in the same sequence. Kaka Gaghanga. Since these all do take birth in the same part of the mouth, Kantha. So we do write 5 of them in the same way, in the same line. But when you follow this, there will be some difficulty in understanding the rules of sandhis. So this pattern should be modified. So how these got modified? First, Yavarala first letters got first after the vowels. Then fifth letters, fourth letters, third letters, second letters, and first letters from each group. Later, Seshasa letters. Ha is occurring in 2 places. Hayavarat Ha, one Ha is there. Hal, second Ha is there. Okay. Is it clear? So why this Ha is occurring 2 times? There is like big reason behind this. Okay. So to get some particular like rules for particular dhatus. Okay. Some particular dhatus should get like some pratyas, intended pratyas. So that this Ha forced to be kept in 2 places. Okay. Others are same. Only they occur in 1 time. And here you don't see any visarga and anuswara. or Visarga variations, Jivamulya or Potmaniya, all of them are not there in the Maheshwara Sutras. Okay, there we have to imagine that all Visarga, Anuswar, Jivamulya are part of many Pratyaharas due to the Sandhi process. Okay, these Anuswara, Visarga, Jivamulya, Alpatmaniya, these all come under Ach Pratyahara, come under Shar Pratyahara, come under Jal Pratyahara. So these are all some of the Pratyaharas which have all of them. Is you get me? By next class, you should learn what? Prayatnas. What is the prayatna of particular word, particular letter? Word phrase, as per your status, it is not required. As per letter, what is the prayatna for each letter? What is Abhyantara prayatna, what is Bahya prayatna, that is required. And then Pratyaharas, what is the significance of Pratyahara? How many Pratyaharas are there? What are the letters in each Pratyahara gets involved? Okay? And then only when you learn these all, then other cultivating work for is only yours work. Okay, this sutra is telling this sandhi. After this sutra, next sutra will occur. After this, next will occur. Okay, that you have to learn so many sutras. Since we began, we can think other things also. We have time also for some time. So what we discussed, vowels and consonants, and Anuswara, Jivamulya, Patmaniya. These three are letters. Vowels are swaras, consonants are vyanjanas. Anuswara, Jivamulya, Patmaniya, Visarga, and yamas. These are all Ubhayaksharas. Okay, Ubhayaksharas. So here, the sandhi combinations, then one vowel is combined is about to combine with another vowel, that is vowel sandhi, swara sandhi. One swara gets sandhi with another swara, that is swara sandhi. Okay. Since 9 vowels are there, 9 combinations, major combinations will occur. So these are all swara sandhi. So many Vyanjanas, 33 consonants majorly. These are 33 consonants will be having so many combinations with other consonants. So these called as Hal sandhis. Majorly Hals, Vyanjanas get involved. And next is Visarga. Visarga changes in a typical way. For Visarga change, we do need preceding letter and following letter also. Many cases. You understand, ma? Visarga sandhi and Anuswara sandhi, generally there is no Anuswara in the letters. Always ma will be there. In every place, ma will be there. But this ma will get changed to Anuswara. Okay, this is Anuswara sandhi. When this will get changed? This is Anuswara sandhi. Okay. And this is all about sandhis in the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi. Okay, what vowel? How will this will combine with another vowel? That is sutras are there in the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi text. In Siddhanta Kaumudi, additional sandhis also will be there. Additional sandhis in the sense, first sandhis, the place of the letter also is very important. Okay, in which place this letter is being used. If this sakara is in the position of first place of the pratyaya, that will react in a different way. Okay. If the same sakara is not in the first position of pratyaya, but it is in the last position of pratyaya. That will react in a different way. The sakara is not at all a part of pratyaya. That will react in a different. You understand? The position is also very much important. The role and position of letter is also very much important. These sandhis called as swadi sandhis. In the swadi sandhis, all swadis are pratyas. Okay. Whenever these are all the parts of pratyas, these reactions will be more effective reactions. Normal other positional letters will not make the entire word change, but this position makes the like breaks the ground sometimes. You understand me? Are you getting me? So this is swari sandhi. Yes. So the rules you should read and recite. There we have no option. Just I am giving you a brief idea so that you will understand with somewhat ease. Huh? That is Swadi Sandhi, that is there in the, particularly in Siddhanta Kaumudi. Love Siddhanta Kaumudi, with this name they did not add. Okay. First you learn these pratyayas, not pratyayas, pratyaharas and the prayatnas. You read them. After reading them, then we will be having some more classes. We will go to the basic important sutras, then we will continue. Maybe hardly we will take 5 to 6 classes more, not more than that. Okay, is this fine now? We have to put more time to learn more. On an average 2 hours a day, individually. Then only you will learn better. Huh? Okay, next we will be meeting next Saturday. Next Saturday. Fine, now meanwhile what we have to do? Pratyaharas. Pratyaharas and prayatnas. In deep and other Shabda Rupas, Dhatu Rupas are there in the first book. Learn them also. And some special names have to be coined. When you are doing a big task, I am telling for Panini, he wanted to divide the entire speech, human speech, for Samskrita speech. He had to divide each and every particular part. So the direct division is not possible. So that he had to use some logics, as we discussed in the first class, yesterday's class. So in that way, he had to find new terms, new terminology. New terminology is very much important, and new rules are also important. New rules and new terminology also coined by Panini to make his statements more standard and more robust. So there should not be any ambiguity in our speech. So if he is doing such a big task, he should avoid all ambiguities. So to avoid all ambiguities, he has to mimic meaning of each and every letter, each and every word what he uses, and he should explain each and every word in deep whatever he uses. So for that he coined so many rules, new rules. He coined so many names. Obviously, we all do in our daily life also. Okay. So you read Saumya Prakarnam also. Saumya Prakarnam, Paribhasha Prakarnam, these two discuss about new names and new rules. Paribhasha means rule. Okay. Saumya means name. So what are the names, what are the rules? Generally names means, as we discussed, these all Pratyaharas are names, and For coining Pratyahara, he had to coin another grammatical concept that is called it. Pratyahara, how can Pratyahara be made without it? So he had to accept one new term called it. So with the help of it, he coined Pratyahara term. After that, he had to accept another term with the close association of letters. For example, a, three are there. All of them have same association. A. Okay. So he used one term, Savarna. Savarna means a are similar. How they are similar? They have same process when they get occurred. They have same origin of birth, same part, kantha. So since both are same, a are savarnas. You understand, ma? So he had to coin like that. You read Saumyas, whatever we discussed some Saumyas, and other Saumyas are also there, which are very essential for your Sandhi. In Saumya Prakarana, in both books, only covered Saumyas or rules only usable for Sandhi concept. Apart from this Sandhi concept also, there are so many Saumyas and rules used by Panini. Those are not added in the book. పడితే దాన్ని గుర్తురాలేదు పాప కానీ గుర్తులేదు పడితే దాన్ని రాలేదు బుద్ధి ఓకే అమ్మా ఫస్ట్ యూ రీడ్ Saumyas and Paribhashas and Pratyahara. Wherever you have a doubt, just you can ping me. I will try to help. Next we will be meeting on next Saturday. Fine now? Okay. Okay, we'll meet. Happy? ఎందుకు ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నా మేరెక్కేస్తావు ఒకటో పెద్ద అది చూడు చక్కగా కూర్చుంది గుడి పాప వచ్చింది గుడి పాప
వచ్చేస్తుంది
ఎందుకమ్మా మామ